Hi, puppy. No, don't. Don't close the door. That would be rude, wouldn't it? After I came all this way to see you. Look at you. You look like you've seen a ghost. But I'm not a ghost, baby. I'm very, very real. Did you think I wasn't? Did you think if you ran far enough, I'd just disappear? You're shivering. You always shiver when you see me. I used to think it was just because you were cold, but we both know that's not it. Don't we? Well, are you gonna let me in? I'm soaked. It's been raining for hours and I've been standing out here for, well, a while. Trying to decide what to say. How to, do this. You're not really gonna make me stand out in the rain, are you? After everything? Thank you. See? That wasn't so hard. You moved far. I mean, really far. Like, across the whole country. New city, new apartment, new number. You're really committed to it. I'm almost impressed. Almost. Did you really think that would stop me? I found your new address 3 weeks after you left. 3 weeks. It actually took me longer to decide if I should come than it did to find you. I've known where you were this whole time, puppy. I've just been, waiting. Giving you space. Letting you have your little adventure. But I got tired of waiting. You know what the worst part is? You didn't even say goodbye. You just vanished. One day you were there, and then you weren't. No call, no text, nothing. I woke up and you were gone. Do you know what that did to me? But I'm not mad. I'm not. I understand why you left. I scared you. I was too much, too fast, too everything. I saw the way you looked at me that last night when you found my notebook. When you realized how much I'd been paying attention. You looked at me like I was a monster. And maybe I am. Maybe I'm exactly what you think I am. But, here's the thing, Bunny. You liked it. You liked how much I wanted you. You liked being the center of someone's entire world. I saw it in your eyes. Even when you were scared. That little flicker. That part of you that didn't want to run at all. That part of you that's still here. Still listening. Still shivering. 떨고 있네. Are you scared? Or are you excited? Both? Yeah, I thought so. You know what's funny? I spent so long pretending to be normal for you, holding back, being the, cool girlfriend who wasn't clingy, wasn't jealous, wasn't obsessed, and it was exhausting. Do you know how hard it is to love someone as much as I love you and pretend you don't? But I don't have to pretend anymore. You know what I am now. You've seen behind the curtain. So I can finally just be myself. Isn't that nice? Isn't that freeing for the both of us? I can tell you that I've thought about you every single day since you left. That I sleep in one of your old shirts because it still smells like you. Barely, but enough. That I have photos of you on my phone that I look at when I miss you so much that it feels like I'm dying. I can tell you that I've imagined this moment 1,000 times, finding you again, seeing your face, watching you realize that there is nowhere you can go that I won't follow. 너 없이 난 못 살아. I can't live without you. I tried. I really tried. But you're in my blood, puppy. You're in my bones. You're still shivering. Like a little bunny cut in a trap. But you haven't told me to leave. You haven't called the cops. You haven't even backed away from me. Why is that? I wonder. Yeah. Is it because you missed me too? Tell me. I need to hear you say it. I've been going crazy for months wondering if you ever thought about me. If you ever lay awake at night remembering how good we were together, how good I made you feel. Did you? Did you miss me? That look. Oh, God, I miss that look. You can lie with your words, baby, but your body never lies to me. I know you too well. I know every little tell, every little twitch, every catch in your breath. Like right now, your breathing just changed. Because I'm close. And you can feel my breath on your neck. And you remember what I used to do to you. Do you remember, puppy? How sensitive you are right here. How I used to whisper to you and feel you fall apart. There you go. There's that shiver. That's my favorite one. You're so responsive. You always were. Like your body was made for me to play with, made for me to take apart, piece by piece, until you couldn't think straight. I've missed this. I've missed you so much. I'm not letting you go again. You know that, right? This is it. The end of the line. This is where you stop running. Because, here's the thing, my little bunny. I'll always find you. No matter where you go, no matter how far you run, you could move to another country, change your name, disappear completely, and I would still find you. Because you're mine. And you've been mine since the moment I saw you. The only difference is, well, now, you know it too. But I don't want to chase you anymore. I'm tired. I just want you. I just want to be with you. So, stay. Okay? Please? Look, I know I'm a lot. I know I'm not normal. But I love you in a way that no one else ever has. No one will ever want you as much as I do. No one will ever need you like this, so isn't that worth something? Won't you... Please, won't you let me stay?